on. Where's your words? Hey. Where are your words? Hi, puppy. Do you have something to say? Are you going to tell me a story? Okay, I'll tell you a story. Okay? You're supposed to be napping right now. No. Oh. You don't backtalk this early. You're supposed to be napping. Do you want to take a nap? No. Do you want to cuddle with Mommy? Yeah. Okay. Give me a smile. That's not a smile. Why did you smile? That's not a smile. Well, that's a sad story.